Good evening. My name is Ivan V. Palatan from Block 8, and tonight is July 16, 2026. TMC mission, vision, goal, slogan, philosophy. Mission to build well-trained, competent, and employable professionals who will meet the demands of the local and international workplaces. Vision, a model institution with fully developed academic, technical, vocational education, and skills, manpower, and positive work attitudes, anchored in the core values of leadership and professionalism, essential integration of self-reliant citizens. Goals. TMC aims at evolving a whole individual as a child of God and a member of a democratic society who is professionally competent that can provide leadership and advanced knowledge, will train in a certain vocation not only to help himself but to help others and practically responsible and obedient to the laws of God and to the laws of the government. Goals. TMC is committed to public educational services second to none. Philosophy. TMC adheres to the philosophy that education is life and growth guided by faith in God and love of fellow men in an environment of competitiveness, professionalism, and excellence.